Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clone yourself on TikTok. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your TikTok application and click on the plus button from middle. Now you can see that a video interface has been shown here. Now click the video section like 15 seconds. Now record a video, but you have to remind that you have to left a space to your left or right side. So you can see that I am making a space to my left side here. Now click the check mark, click next. Now just make it only me who can watch this video. You can just select only me. Now click post. Now go to your profile section. Now you can see that this is the video I have just recorded. Now I'm going to download it. So you can see a button save video. Just click save video. Okay, the video has been saved. Now again go to the plus button. So here is the video interface, 60 seconds or 3 minutes as you want. Now go to the effects option. Now slide the options and you will be able to find the option tools. Click on this button. Now at the second portion you can see a green interface with a video play button. Click on this button. Now you can see a plus button at the middle portion at the left side. Click on this plus button, select the previous video, click next. Now you can see that the video is running. So in this way, if you record right now, it will be a clone of yourself. So in the second phase, I'm going to just record the video. You can see that my clone has been made, and this is how you can easily make your clone. You can see that I hold my camera on my hand, but you can use the tripod and you can have the bigger space for creating your videos to make it smooth and professional. So I have just shown you the basic method how to do it. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.